Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. I'm here with Zinat. So today's been a very busy day, so I'm a bit tired because we changed Labib's alloys. So now, and it's about 40 degrees, 30 degrees. No, it's about 28 in it. Yeah. So yeah, that's still quite high. That's still quite high for the UK for us. We're now used to 28 degrees Celsius. So yeah, we're going to be changing the radio today. We got this, but my only concern is at the moment, I think we might need a cage unless there's one behind it. We'll have to check. Hopefully there is, but I don't know. We might need to have to get a Volkswagen double din cage because that looks small in it. It's alright though. But yeah, so we got a wiring kit for it, so we don't have to wire everything ourselves. I'll show you that in a second. But first thing we need to do is take the back of this radio off. For this we're going to use some tools.
Do you want me to record that soon?
Yeah, for a little. Okay, so take this radio off. Right. So we need to take this trim off, so we'll start from this corner actually. So you want a plastic tool so it doesn't break anything. I can't even get in there, bro. That is very tight. Yep, there you go. So it's clipped on, it's got clips in, that's pretty much it. All you're doing is pulling it forward, so it comes out the clips like that, and bring it forward with your hand. Okay, and clip there, just run along with it and you'll find all the clips. There you go, the top's off now. Actually, I don't know, what do you think? Do you think it'll fit even?
Inshallah.
So it's just all these clips here, you just go around, take them all off. Now you need a T20 torque screw. I think these are T20, I can't remember, it's been a long time since I've used one. Hopefully one fits. Too small, we need a bigger one. Let's try this one. Perfect, yep, so T20 guys. Alright, let me go ahead and take this off. So as you can see, we've got a new radio. I've done an unboxing on it. It's how much was it? £60?
Yeah, £60
with the reverse camera. Okay, make sure you remember that the screws are here. Yeah, so £60 with the reverse camera, so it's not too bad, and you get Apple CarPlay as well, and USB, Bluetooth, everything, compared to this one which has nothing. And it's got main reason we got it was for the reverse camera in it, because we need a screen to show the reverse camera, because it's gonna plan on getting tints. Okay.
I need to get my car washed as well. It's got a bird shit on it.
Is any open till late? We'll go together
car
now
wash
after this.
Yeah, we could do. No.
No, the one on the.
Yeah.
Still recording. Okay. Now I'm just gonna pull this out. Bloody hell. Okay, so you have to shimmy it out. I need two hands for this. You want to get that side. There you go. It's just a bit stuck in there. Slowly pull it out.
Got it.
Oh, it's your wiring. It's a very tight wiring. So for this, I'm gonna lift it up. It should just come straight out. 1 second. Can't really see that. Give me a sec. Shows out the way.
This is very heavy, wow, compared to
that one.
Yeah.
Okay, let me take off this connector first. So this one you just push in and pull up, I believe. But I'm doing it blindly, so bear with me guys. I don't know if I'm doing it right. There you go. Yeah, so push up and pull it. This one push down, pull up fully, and it should come straight out. There you go.
Wow, this is really heavy.
Okay, yeah, that's very heavy.
Fuck.
So I want to see before we put anything in. We're gonna need that double din thing, yeah?
Oh, for fuck's sakes.
It's alright, it's alright.
Where
So yeah,
can I get
we
one
will
from?
need a double din thing. Otherwise, for now, we can just leave it like that. Or do you want to put this back in and we'll do another day?
Wait, do I have to order one, or can I not get one from Adidas or anything? Anyway.
I'm not sure, we'll have a look if you want.
We'll be right back.
Now guys, you're gonna need a double din cage, which we bought from Halford for a rip-off price of 50 quid. And a fascia plate, which is 50 quid, is 10 quid. So yeah, so this cage just sits in there, so this can fit in there. Otherwise, you can put that in there so you can have a look. it's got nowhere to sit in. It's just going to wobble about, you know, it's going to fall in actually because it's that small. So yeah, let's have a look guys and plug this in. So all we're doing is putting this cage in and then we can put this in. Guys, after putting all that in, he decided he didn't like it, so he decided to just buy the RCD 330 which I have in my car, the Golf. So that'll be the exact same as this design and it's plug and play, no wiring needed, no nothing. So stay tuned for that I guess, or I might add it on to the end of this video. So he's going to get rid of that cheap nasty radio because it didn't sit flush with anything and it didn't look very nice. So yeah, stay tuned guys. But yeah, if you are continuing doing it this way, all you're doing is putting that cage on, locking it in place and putting the nuts on. So there's lots of holes, you can put it anywhere, connect it up. And then you got the wiring there, just wire it all up with the adapter kit which I have somewhere in the bag. You can buy wiring kits so you don't need to wire it yourself. So just get the Volkswagen one. So yeah, it is what it is guys.